Hagajing yelang jangko All India Trinamool Congress AITC kabla pelong u sosotham auditorium kabla wan banship bintado Abhishek Banerjee bolong u General Secretary parangba jangko tiga seng kabadon ye office rekam Kolkata kanongba jangko West Bengal ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalayo pediang ya ka kyrteng thumai kabla ai do te nong yelam Hagajing yelang kabau ni nong yelam ka AITC ulong kumukong san nadien bala peli pat ba office rekam halawa lashmir hagajing don rengkat kinong kit kam bat MLA u Abhishek Banerjee loong karukom trekam ke Sorkar MDA hapo kajing yelam u konrat sangma kalapau syai kedar ba kajelak kadon hagajing du nong namar bo boyo nong udetang unong yelam bat kumta ladon kam man khot eka Dhaka My Development Alliance.
They talk about double engine government. You have a chief minister who is busy attending dinner parties in Delhi when his own state is facing calamity and crisis. What can be more shameful than this? They formed an alliance called MDA, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. But Conrad Sangma should reframe and rename that acronym MDA as My Development Alliance. If anyone's development has happened in the last 5 years, it is Conrad Sangma's development. In the name of border dispute settlement, Assam, you saw the unprecedented, rather unacceptable move where the current government has surrendered land to the Assam in the name of border dispute settlement. I want to ask the government and Mr. Conrad that as a chief minister, who did you consult? Before making this trade-off, who did you speak to? Did you speak to any single person on the ground? Those who have lived their lives as Meghalayans, who have cherished a hard-brought statehood, are suddenly being made to live as residents of another state. What can be more shameful than this? Residents in border villages have faced brutally from the Assam police. They are facing brutality every now and then. Is this what the people of this great state deserve? A government that has little respect or no respect for its land is not worthy of holding a position in power. All this was done to please the masters in Delhi.